Hi guys, welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. Today I am making my chicken lettuce wrap, so if you're interested in seeing how I do this, keep on watching.
Please subscribe and click on the bell.
Check out ivyskitchen.net for the recipe and tag me on social media if you do recreate my dish. Alright you guys, to this chicken, I'm just going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, and to marinate this chicken, I have some water in here. What I'm going to add to this water is Shaoxing wine. If you don't have Shaoxing wine, you can use sherry cooking wine. And I'm going to add soy sauce. I am using the Philippine soy sauce because I like how dark the color is, so it'll give our nice chicken a nice color. And some cornstarch. This is going to put a nice film over the meat, so the meat will stay moist when we stir fry it. And I'm just gonna mix this up together. And we're gonna add it to our meat. And that's it. That's the whole marinade for the meat. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Okay, and then we're gonna add the marinade right on top of it. I'm actually gonna let this marinate for about 30 minutes. You don't have to marinate it for a long time. All right, you guys, now it's time to make the sauce for the chicken lettuce wraps. I have hoisin sauce in my bowl. To this, I'm adding some Shaoxing wine. If you don't have Shaoxing wine, again, you can use sherry wine, sake. I think soju might even work. So now I'm adding oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is always the magic ingredient in any Asian cooking. Dark soy sauce. All right, and then next we are going to add some sesame oil, toasted sesame oil. This will give it some nice nuttiness. Now I am combining cornstarch and sugar to this mix. And to thin this out, we're gonna go ahead and add water to this. And we're gonna just mix this until everything is well combined and you don't see any of the cornstarch. It does need some spice. I'm gonna add some chili paste to this. This is a Guamanian chili paste I picked up at a local restaurant near where I live at. Probably do about half a tablespoon. You can use this, or you can use chili flakes, you can use sambal or sriracha. Do not use tapatio or any other Tabasco or anything like that. You want to stick with the Asian flavoring. So Gochujung, Gochugaru, any of those would work. All right, we want to turn on our heat, so we want to warm our wok up. The meat looks nice and marinated through. Just gonna give it a good mix. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of oil to my wok. Warm that up. I am on medium high. I'm gonna add the chicken in. So as soon as your chicken is cooked through, you want to set it aside in a new bowl, not the bowl where you had the raw chicken marinating in. I'm going to add some oil. Now we are going to add the shallots. We want to go ahead and soften it. Just add a little bit of salt so it can help the sauteing process. And we're just going to cook this until it's fragrant. As soon as you see it translucent, we're going to go ahead and add the white parts of our green onion, the garlic, and the ginger. Saute it until you can smell the fragrance of the ginger and the garlic. Add more oil if you need to. It smells amazing, you guys. Next, we're going to add our shiitake mushrooms. Looks like my mushrooms are starting to look like they're cooking through. So I'm going to add the white water chestnuts. And now we're going to add our chicken. Oh yeah. And we are now going to add our sauce. All of that delicious sauce. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make my chicken lettuce wrap. Look at that.
Place your chicken on top of your lettuce and garnish with green onions.
Now it's time to taste this. I have a lot in here. I don't know if it's gonna all fit in my mouth, but we shall see. You guys, this is so flavorful. I love how I get the crunch from the lettuce. And the water chestnuts. It's a little bit spicy, but I love the balance of the sweet and savory and spicy. And the chicken is nice and tender. You guys, this is so good. You totally have to try this. And if you do recreate this, please tag me on social media and hashtag ivyskitchen. Until next time, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. One more bite, but I think I'm gonna use a fork. So good. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you are notified each time I post a new video.